Hello everyone, this is Tulika here, and today I am going to make a narrow sliding gift box with this Berries paper pack of Papericious. The size of this paper pack is 12 inches by 12 inches. It has 24 sheets, 12 designs, and each sheet is of 280 GSM. It's hard enough to make this narrow sliding gift box. I have taken this design as I loved this all over floral pattern of it. I'm using my Martha Stewart scoring board and scoring tool. Now I have taken 6 inches by 10 inches paper size, and I will score it in half inches interval, like half inches, then 1 inches, then 1.5 inches and 2 inches. I'm going to do this in 4 sides. You can take any size paper, but the procedure will be same for all. So let's hear some music. Apart from these 4 lines, I will score another half inches up to 2 lines. Like you can see 2 lines I have scored in half inches interval inside. Now why, I will show you next. First half inches, you can see this 4 lines I have taken half inches for 2 lines, then leave. Now I'll score the same way in 4 sides. Now I will cut according to this line. Check first 2 lines I will cut, then from this corner to that corner, and then again straight line like this. And now I'll cut this whole thing. I'll show you again. These 4 sides I will do the same process. Watch it. Now for the wrapper, I'll take 0.1 or 0.2 measurement extra, like half inches, then 1 inches, like this way. But I'll take half 0.1 measurement extra, so that that box can easily move in and out from that wrapper. Check out. Now I have made this box with the front side in one paper and reverse side in another paper. I have showed you the reverse side one, and I made belly bands to complete it. Thank you.